Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. It is time for my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Today we're going to go over May's box. So I just got this guy in the mail. The box is a little bit longer than usual because there was a long skincare product in the box. But if you guys want to see what I got and see me try everything out, then just keep on watching. So the theme of May is Make Waves, and we have the sheet here with all of the products on it. So the first product in the box is really cool that it came in Boxycharm. This is a skincare product from Glamglow. So this is a full-size cleanser from Glamglow. This is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and it retails for $28. I have tried multiple cleansers from Glamglow. I have two in my shower right now, and I really love them. I have a fruity one. I don't know the exact name of it, and I also have the Galactic Cleanse, which is my favorite cleanser from Glamglow. So I already went ahead and tried this out for today's video. Before I put on makeup, I wanted to have a nice, clean, fresh face, and I actually really enjoyed it. I felt like it smelled really nice. It made my skin feel very clean, and this is going to go right into my shower and become another regular cleanser for me. I feel like Glamglow cleansers are really gentle, but at the same time they do a really good job. I liked this one because it bubbled up a little bit, and I think that the packaging is so pretty and rainbow, and it kind of gives holographic iridescent vibes when you are putting it on your face. The box is $21. This product retails for $28, so you're already getting your money's worth with product number one. So we have another high-end brand in the box. This is an eyeshadow from Ciate London. This is an eye luster cream eyeshadow, and these retail for $22. I'm interested to see what color this is because I don't have anything on my eyes today because I want to sit down and put everything in here on my face. Mine says it's in the shade Cupid. I have never tried any of these from Ciate London. Oh wow. I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting this color to be what I'm going to be working with today, but I actually think it might be really fun and really cool. So here's the shade that I got. This is the shade Cupid, and it is like purple, iridescent, color changing craziness, and I love it. I don't know what I was expecting, like a gold or rose gold or something to be kind of basic, but this is really cool. So it says it's a metallic eyeshadow. It's supposed to be lightweight and fallout free. It says it can be blended out for sheer sparkle or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. I do want to use it by itself today so that I can see how it performs by itself. So we're going to jump right into using this. What I'm going to do, and what I always do with liquid eyeshadow, because I feel like I don't always have the best time with it, is I pat it on and then I blend it out with a white-haired brush. I feel like you need kind of a stiffer brush to blend out the product. I'm gonna swatch this on the back of my hand first so you guys can see. Here is the eyeshadow blended out on the back of my hand. I cannot wait to have this on my eyes. I'm getting festival vibes from this. Like, I wasn't excited for this. I have to be honest. I heard that there was a liquid eyeshadow and I was like, ugh, liquid eyeshadow? But this makes me want to see the other colors in the line and buy them all and try them all. I'm just gonna close my eye and tap this onto my lid. Wow. So with all my liquid eyeshadows, I blend the edges with a white-haired brush before it dries. Otherwise, I get creasing personally. I think I might have to go over top that with a little bit more, but I'm gonna let that layer dry first. So it's definitely more intense if you don't blend it out, but I want to get a nice blended layer down before I go in with more. So I'm going to let that dry, but so far so good. It does chunk up just a little bit if you layer it too much. And I'm getting a slight burning sensation because I do have sensitive eyelids, so I just want to be transparent about that. So I'm going to let it dry. So I actually hopped off camera to go put mascara on, and I realized this is chunking up really bad on me and kind of not looking good. I don't think I should have layered it, so I'm actually going to take it off and try again with just blending out a sheer layer. So when I tell you trying to go in and take this off actually ruined my whole face of makeup, it really did. So I did not want to give up. I did not want to let this eyeshadow destroy my day. So I put on a quick 5-minute purple look with my ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette, and we're going to test this out as an eyeshadow topper because in my opinion, so far, I think that's what it's going to be good for. The more you add, the kind of worse off your look will get because of patchiness, and it does flake. So I don't know, the claim on the box saying that it doesn't have fallout, maybe not, but it flakes eventually. So now I'm gonna let this dry while looking down, and I'm gonna apply eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. Then we can talk about the rest of the products. Okay, so you know that I hate a product when I don't wear lashes. That means I hate the look and I'm gonna take it off later. I do not like this eyeshadow at all. I ended up having to go over it with powder from the ColourPop palette, and I completely erased it because it was so chunky and patchy. In the mirror, it looked absolutely terrible. It might look okay on camera with lights and with flash and all of that, but in person, it didn't look glittery. It just looked chunky and bad. So unfortunately, even though this is absolutely stunning in the tube, it is not good on my eyes at least. So for me, this was a bust. It did not work. I have one more product to put on my poor eyes right now. They are really sore. This is an eyeliner pencil from Bodyography, and this retails for $14. It looks like I have a teal shade. Actually, no, mine is in the shade Emerald, so it has a normal wooden pencil tip. My dogs are battling outside, if you can hear that. It's not a demon, it's my dogs. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this Emerald in the waterline. It's pretty. It's not like my favorite product. I definitely have green liners in my collection already. It's not smudging on my contacts, but it is kind of sharp for me for the waterline. My eyes are getting kind of bloodshot and watery right now. This next product looks like it might make up for some of the nonsense that I'm going through. This is from Olimar. This is the Colorette Blush Trio. It retails for $22. The packaging is so cute and summery. I absolutely love the packaging. So here are the blushes. They actually look really stunning. They look like beautiful spring summer colors. This also has a really nice clear mirror in it, which I appreciate. So here are the 3 blush shades. We have Castaway on my pointer finger, Paraiso on my middle finger, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, and then Scorcher on my ring finger. They all look like they have a really pretty luminosity to them. So I'm going to pick up a mixture of Paraiso and Scorcher, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this right to the forward part of my cheek. These pack a lot of pigment, so you don't need to pick up a lot. I really like that combo. So thank goodness we have another win. I really like this. I love discovering new and exciting brands. This is going to be beautiful for summer. I think it'll be my go-to when I want a really warm, dewy look, and I love it. I'm taking a quick highlight break from this video to apply highlight because I've been missing it the entire time I've been filming. And last up in the box, this is very exciting. We have a liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. These retail for $18, and I cannot believe the shade that is in my box. This is the shade Stone, which for such a long time was the baddie go-to lipstick of Instagram. Like, it took over a few years ago, so I probably already have this in my collection, but if I do, it's expired, so this is a fresh one. So that is Dose of Colors Stone. So I feel like the Glamglow product is definitely my favorite product out of the box, and I love that Dose of Colors was in there. I love the Olimar palette too. That's right up there with the Glamglow because it's new to me and it's nice and summer vibes. I'm really disappointed in the eyeshadow because I wanted to love it so bad because it's absolutely stunning sitting there in the packaging. And the eyeliner is okay. It's kind of meh. Like, I didn't really need it and I'm happy without it. So overall, it's a really good box. It has a value of $104. So you are getting well over the amount that you pay for the box. But that is it for this month's unboxing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it regardless of my struggles. As always, I want to know down below what you got in your box. box. It's my favorite discussion to have every month. I know that some people got a First Aid Beauty product, which I love that brand as well. So let me know what colors you got, especially if you got a different color of the eyeshadow. I don't know if other people got different colors. I just want to know down below what you got. I will leave the information to Boxycharm where you can sign up if you are interested. I do get a small commission if you guys sign up through my link, which I would definitely appreciate because your girl's saving for a house. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss these videos. I unbox Boxycharm every single month. And yeah, so I'm going to go try to adjust my eye look, and hopefully I see you guys all in my next video. Bye.